Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So firstly, how to add a Google account, and then how to easily remove it. So firstly, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and sync. As you can see, we've got also the Google section, so you can obviously tap on it and sign in to your Google account using this section, but I prefer doing it using accounts and sync. So let me enter here, and all we have to do right now is simply tap on add account. Here we have to choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, I've got it saved, so simply tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And right now we can go back, and as you can see right now we've got the Google section, so it means that we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want, just tap on this Google section. And as you can see, this is the account we just added, so in order to remove, just tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, you will have to enter to confirm. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.